Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to download Libero Mail application on your iOS device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Libero Mail application on your iOS device is easy. Open up your App Store from the app drawer and in the search box, type in Libero Mail. Once you perform your search, you'll be able to see the application in the search results. Look for this application that says Libero Mail from Italia Online SPA. Tap on the Get button to begin the downloading process. Now, wait for the app to be downloaded, which is a quick process depending upon your internet speed. Libero Mail is an Italian email service provider which offers free email accounts with unlimited storage space. Once you download the application, click on the Open button to launch Open Libero Mail, and that is how you should be able to get the application right on your iOS device quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.